Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful altered diary using beautiful mirror work, clay work, and the beautiful tiles are created using different colors, and this is looking super gorgeous. It's not looking like handmade diary. So are you excited to start with the video? So let's get started. For this we need some chalk paints like yellow, red, white, black and blue. Some mirrors. I'm using in circle, drop shape and diamond. Clay cone in white color. Golden ball chain, paintbrush and mount board. So here I have my diary which measures 20 by 15 centimeters from top, and I have cut the mount board pieces in square shape. So one piece measures 4.8 by 4.8 centimeters, and I have arranged total 12 squares on this. I am leaving little gap between each square, that's why I am using 4.8 centimeter square. Now I am taking black chalk paint and coloring the edges of this. Since I am using 2 mm mount board, so this is quite thick and I am coloring it using black from border. Now I'm taking white chalk paint and coloring the top. Like this. In the same way I will color rest of the pieces. Now the white coloring is done, and also I have colored some of the squares using different chalk paints. So I'm showing you one by one how to color it. It's very easy. Take any shade which you want and I will start applying it directly on the base. I have added the white base first because on white every color looks very vibrant. If you do direct color, it may get little fade shade. So to create it more vibrant, we should add the white in the base. Now I don't have orange shade, so I'm just mixing my yellow and red to create orange color. So in this way you can create many shades using primary colors. Here I am using chalk paints only, but you can use acrylic colors, poster colors, anything which you have. I am using all festive shades. Now to create green shade I am mixing yellow and blue. Like this. In the same way I will color rest of the pieces using red, blue and yellow. Now I'm taking my diary and I'm coloring the front using black chalk paint. like this, allow it to dry. Now I have colored all my rest of the tiles, and now I am arranging each tile by sticking it using glue. Remember to leave 2 mm gap between each tile from all the sides. So it's done. Allow it to set for some time. Now here I am taking 2 tablespoons of ceramic powder and I am adding 1 tablespoon of Fevicol into this. This is a liquid glue, and 1 tablespoon of water. Just mix this mixture very well, and you have to create very smooth paste. So I'm going to do some clay work, that's why I'm making my clay. If required, you can add little more water. It should not be very flowy or very thick, but the consistency should be fine to fill it into cone. Now here I have already prepared one small cone using plastic bag, and I am filling it using my clay mixture. Now I am taking one thread and making a knot on top. Just close your cone very tightly. And see how smoothly it is running, like this. So the cone is ready. Now taking back my diary, and I will start doing some clay design on my yellow tile first. So first create border on this. Then I am taking circle glass, adding it in the center using glue, and around this circle I am using my clay cone again and creating a border. and then I'm decorating a flower kind of shape using drop shape glass beads. All the supply links are given in the description box if you want to purchase anything. These glass beads are available very easily in any craft store or you can purchase online. So this is done. Now I am creating some scallop design all over the border. Like this. It's looking very beautiful. In the same way I will do the clay work. So I have done the clay work on all the tiles with the same method, and now I am going to decorate each tile with the different glass shapes in different manner. So it's all up to you how you want to decorate according to the availability of glass shapes which you have. You can also use colored stones, colored beads, anything to decorate it. Even you can use ball chains or stone chains. So this is done. In the same way I will complete the rest of the tiles. So randomly I have added the designs here and there and decorated my diary like this. It's looking very gorgeous and very shiny. I'm just loving each and every design. Now here I'm adding some teardrop pearls just to add little more design because I thought this style is looking little empty. Similarly I'm adding in the bottom one. And now the flower shapes I am adding some colored stones in the centers. And now I am taking golden ball chain and I am sticking it between each tile. So I'm just filling this 2 mm gap using the golden ball chain. in the same way, just finish from all the sides. So after adding golden ball chain, it will look like this, and it's looking just awesome. I'm just loving my diary very much. It's not looking like a handmade diary. So I'm sure you will try this idea very soon with your books or diaries or notepads. And my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.